Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Aussie's Young Learning Emporium. In today's video we're going to be looking at permutations, which is a part of statistics. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. So let's imagine you're choosing winners for first, second and third place. Now here you want to find out how many different ways you could do this out of a selected group. Now to calculate this number you would use permutations, and especially because here the order matters, that's why we use permutation. So what are permutations and how can we calculate them? So basically what permutations really are number of combinations when order matters in a selection. So say you're picking 3 students from 6 to give awards for first, second and third place. So here, if we color code this and we start with the first being golden, second being silver, and third being bronze, then we can arrange it like this or like this, but we can just keep going on like this. So same people picked, different order, different result, and there are so many ways to do this. We cannot possibly keep listing all of these combinations. So yes, there is a formula for this, which says that permutations is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, n is the total number of items. R is how many you're arranging, and factorial, which is the exclamation mark, is basically something like if you say 4 factorial, then that means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you just decrease by 1 and you multiply the result. For 5 factorial, it would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and so on. Now let's use that example question to find out the number of permutations in this scenario. Also, let's try to derive our formula to make this a little bit more fun. So, for first place, we can have 6 people because all of these people can be in first place. So now let's put that aside. For second place, now that one of the people is out because one of them is obviously going to be in first place, we have got 5 people remaining. So for second place, there can be 5 people. Let's put this aside as well. For third place, now that 2 people are gone for first and second place, we've got 4 people remaining. So for third place, we can have the 4 remaining people. At the end, our numbers look like this. So for first place, we have 6, for second place, we have 5, and for third place, we have 4. So, since we are thinking of all the possibilities, we would multiply to count each case. So we would go 6 times 5 times 4, which is equal to 120. Now, let's use the main formula and check our answer. So here, using our formula, we can plug in our values. So now we've got 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 3 factorial, or just 3 factorial. This can be simplified into 6 times 5 times 4, which is equal to 120. And our answer is 120 through both ways. We derived the formula, we know the formula, we understand the formula, and that is the best thing about maths. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video and it all made sense to you. If you do have any questions, drop it down below in the comment section. Make sure to like this video if you did enjoy it, and please do subscribe. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching!